Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to delete your Discord account on PC with the latest update. Let's jump right in. First, start by opening the Discord app on your PC. Once it's loaded, you'll be greeted by your familiar home screen. Next, look for the gear icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. This is the User Settings button. Click on it to access your account settings. Now that you're in the Settings menu, find and select My Account from the list on the left side. This section contains all the important details about your account. Here comes the crucial step. Scroll down and click on the Disable Account option. Before you proceed, you'll need to enter your password for security purposes. Type your password in the designated field. Once you've entered your password, you'll see the option to Disable Account. Click that button, and congratulations. You've successfully initiated the account deletion process. Remember, disabling your account means all your data will be hidden, but Discord keeps it in case you decide to come back. If you're sure about your decision, wait a moment for the process to complete. And there you have it. Deleting your Discord account on PC is simple and straightforward. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.